For the past few years, we witnessed a very positive development in our cooperation between our two countries in all fields. And our leaders meet very often during the international conference, and the exchange of delegations between the two countries happen very rapidly. And very important that last year we successfully organized the first intergovernmental committee for economic cooperation, and during that meeting we signed a number of agreements and agree upon many measures to develop our cooperation in all fields. More important among these, there is a determination to develop the tourism cooperation. That is why we are here to do some promotion on the tourism cooperation.
We are very happy today, and we consider your country, Slovenia, is one of the new destinations for our Vietnamese group in the near future. So from our country, we send a lot of groups to Europe every year, and our traditional destination is France, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Germany, and then we move to Switzerland, Italy, and some country in the Eastern Europe. And now we want to look for some new destination, include Slovenia. So we will do the new itinerary from Vienna to Hallstatt, Saarburg, and then Ljubljana, and then Venice, and then Milan in Italy. So the new product is quite attractive for our tourists from Vietnam, and we are selling the packet start from last year. So for this event, we really want to look for some DMC, some travel agent here, to cooperate with them to develop the market. And also, we also see that Slovenia is a new market for our incoming group. We understand that from Slovenia, there are a lot of tourists travel to Thailand every year, but not Vietnam. So Vietnam will be your next destination. And we are here today also with the purpose that we want to introduce our country, Vietnam, to your travel company and the media. The two purpose that we will do the instruction, we will have the cooperation to send Vietnamese group to Slovenia, and also introduce about our Vietnam country to your market.